Hello everyone, welcome to the session once again. In today's topic, I'm going to cover about control statements in Java. So let's see the brief introduction about control statements or other various types of control statements what we have in Java. I'm covering the brief introduction over here, but in the upcoming session, we will have the in detail of each and every statement along with its Java example. Why I'm taking the brief introduction because I believe when we start with Java, most of the people gets confused between control statements because there are various types of control statements. So just to not have any confusion, I am covering this in brief now, and we will have the detailed explanation after this. I mean in the upcoming sessions. So let's start with control statements. Let's first see what is the definition of control statements in Java. So the statement that can be used to control the flow of the Java code is known as control flow statements. So for that, Java provides three types of control flow statements. First is decision making statements. Second, we have loop statement, and finally we have jump statement. So the first, if you see decision making statement, so by the name suggests, decision making statement decide which statement to execute and when. And to do that, we have further two statements, if else and switch statements. So these two statements are for decision making. Then for loop statements, we have while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. In programming, sometimes we need to execute the block of code or set of Java statements repeatedly while some condition evaluates to true. And to do that, we use these for loop statements. And finally, we have jump statements. So jump statements are used to transfer the control of the flow of the program to the specific statement. Okay, for that we have break statement and continue statement. So I hope you have clearly understood the difference between these three types of control statement, which actually, by their functionality, it they actually defines how are they controlling the flow. So like if we say decision making, it decides which statement to execute and when. Loop, to execute the certain block of code, piece of code repeatedly. And third, jump statement is nothing but to transfer the control of the flow to the another statement. Correct? So by this way, they are controlling the flow of the Java codes. That's why they are known as control statements. So I hope this is clear. So as I said, in the upcoming session, we will have the detailed discussion of each one of this if, else, switch, loops, and jump statement as well in detail along with Java example. But for now, thank you so much for this session. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you.